Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated. I am in no way affiliated with Adobe. Hi, I'm Steve Anthony. I'm a photographer and digital retouching artist here in New York City. In this clip, we're going to take a look at how to insert a picture into another picture in Photoshop. In this case, we're going to start with a poker chip. And you know what might be fun? Let's put a picture of ourselves on our poker chip. So that's our one picture. And here's our other picture. Now, you can see that this picture is probably going to be larger than the poker chip. I'll show you how to deal with that too. It's a little bit of a 2-in-1. So what we'll do is select our elliptical marquee tool. We'll draw a circle around that part of the picture that we want to add to the other picture. And it should be just about right. Now, use your move tool to move around the marquee until you get just the part of the picture that you want. Then go to Edit, Copy. Go ahead and minimize this picture and we'll reopen the poker chip. Then we'll go into the Edit menu, Paste. Now again, you can see that that's larger than we need it to be. So we go to Edit, Transform, Scale. Hold down the Shift key again to keep it relative. Size it down to where you want it. Using your Move tool, grab it, set it in place. And there it is in the most simple terms, how to insert one picture into another picture in Photoshop.